Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. Today for lunch, we have So's chicken with rice corn honey, roasted garbanzo beans, and mandarin oranges. In other news, the student council is wondering if you can teach them how to do something. It could be anything from bacon to showing us how to dunk. This is open to the entire high school, staff and students. Submit your short video clip to Mr. Stamos by Monday the 12th. Vote-in will be on Friday the 15th, and the winner will receive a $20 Amazon gift card. We cannot wait to see what you guys have in store with us. Now on to our special guest with the weather, Bonesley.
Thanks, Matthew. There's going to be some clouds over us today, as there's a high of 63 and a low of 42. Right now, I'm chilled to my bone. Now back to you, Matthew.
Thank you, Bonesley. Now have a great day, Sutton High.